Hello, today I'm going to make a square granny square purse or cell phone. This is the yarn that I'm using, but it's white and pink. So, magic ring. One, two, and I have to make four of this cluster. This one right here. And I'm using a 4.25 millimeter hook. Two, slip stitch. Okay, like that. Chain two, like that. See, I finished the other side. It's not straight, but I will straight it later. Here, I'm getting there, and I have one more row with this pink, and then I change to white until I have 10.5 inches. And hoping that this is gonna be a good one. This is my third, and I'm going to put a lining for this and zipper. Slip stitch and another slip stitch, one, two, and start. One, one row here, and then I change to a white. Okay, and I'll come back. Okay, I'm almost done with the pink. There. slip stitch there. Okay, and then I'll put this one together, but I need to make some I have to measure from, this is my open area, I have to measure from here to there. Okay, it will straight, and slip knot, this is from the side, so I change 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I'll change 7 because when you half double crochet is just only ended for 6 stitches. Okay, this is too tight. I started wrong. It's tight. I should be loose. There. Chin. Two. So do this for 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, do this for 67 row, 28 inches, or I don't know how many inches that you're making. So like this, see, I connected right there, and this is the wrong side, this is the wrong side, and I will connect it there, there. Okay, and then I'll crochet this top. I'll show you. There, and I'll be back like that. Okay, and continue to do this here, there, and there. All right, okay. I cut the size for the lining, and I zigzagged it, and then I put the pocket. Okay, I'll put it in here, there, and I'll sew right here, and I put for the cell phone pocket, and a key or a wallet, key in here. All right. Okay, I finished. I crochet this one here. I sew first the thing, and then I crochet it and then sew it again. Now I'm making the strap. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 slip stitch, 1, okay, and continue that. No slip stitch, just continue. All right, it's right here. Okay, and then I make it 40 inches because I'm gonna go in my shoulder strap. Okay, and this one I'm going to make a overlap and have a button. Okay, here's my finished product. There's the cell phone holder, there's the key or whatever wallet, small wallet, and I just put this one because I don't have enough. See? Alright, this is for my personal use. Thank you for watching.